Hello, grade twos. It is our last day of math together. You've worked so hard. I'm so proud of you. Well done. So let's finish strong today. You got this. We started talking about, do you remember what this word is? Area. And area is the amount of space something covers. So if I put my textbook on my desk, it's the amount of space it covers. And we're measuring that in square units, the amount of squares, okay? So you're going to need your textbook, and you're going to need to open to page 105. So press pause if you need to get your textbook. We're going to open to page 105. And I want to find out what the area is of each of these figures. We have P, Q, R, and S. Let's start with P. What would the area of P be? What's the area? The amount of squares it covers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. P is 7 square units, and it's telling me that each square is a square unit. Okay, Q. Can you tell me what the area is of Q? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we have 7 holes, and then we have a half here and a half here. 2 halves together make a whole. So we have 7 plus our 2 halves equals 8 square units. Let's go down and do R. Who can tell me what is the area of R? Eight, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8 square units. What about S? Let's do S. Okay, the main part is 10. And then we've got this one, it's more than a half, and this one that's less than a half. But do you notice how this kind of looks like it would fit in there? So that would be another one. And then if we look up here, this is actually half of these 2 squares. So if we were to slice them in half, this is one of the triangles that fits, and then the other side would be the other. So this is actually half of the 2. So it would be 1, or you can think of this little piece would fit up in there. But what I'm saying is if we had a rectangle here and we cut it in half, we get a triangle. But if we draw our grid here, right, we can see the space that it covers. Okay? So that we can see the amount that it's spaced, that this would fit up in here. Okay? So we've got 12 for S. Okay? So remember, pieces can fit together. So remembering S was about, if you took those 2 squares as a rectangle and cut it in half, so that'd be 1, and then this would be 1 to make our 2 squares. So today, in your workbook, you are going to do exercise 66, where you're going to join the ones that are the same area, the same space that they cover. Here, you're going to tell me what's the area of each of these. Write it right in the line. The area is 6 square units, okay? And then 67 is you're going to draw another shape with the same area, and you're going to color it in. So find out what the area is, and then you get to draw another shape with the same area, the same number of squares, okay? And when we go to the back, again, find the area of each of these, and then answer some of the questions, which is the biggest, the smallest. Okay? And you are finished. Well done. So 66 and 67 today. Tomorrow you're going to pack all of your things up to bring to me. Your math workbook I'm going to look at because I haven't seen it in a while. Your math textbook. You're going to get everything that needs to come back to the school, your readers, and you're going to bring it back to me tomorrow. Okay? So I can't wait to see you then and finish up our math today.